Hi everyone, I am Paul Holder from Infinity Learning. Now tomorrow, the 24th of November, in conjunction with the Gibraltar Federation of Small Business, I'll be running another training course entitled Meeting Management, the Art of Making Meetings Work. Now, meetings come in all shapes and sizes, from the convention to the quick huddle in the office hallway. This half-day workshop will be concerned with small working meetings, with groups that have had a job or require some energy and commitment and talents of those taking part in the meeting to keep that meeting on track. What are we going to be covering? Well, we're going to be looking at the basics of effective meetings, the best and worst of meetings. I'm all sure we all have had horror stories of meetings that we have been in which have just overrun and have gone off track, and we end up talking about things that weren't even on the agenda. This workshop is going to show you how you're not going to allow that to happen. We're going to be looking at how you can hold productive meetings, how you prepare for meetings, agendas, what should be on the agenda, what shouldn't be on the agenda. If you're leading the meeting, what is required from you and what is expected from you as the leader of the meeting. We're going to be looking at process and content of a meeting, how to control a meeting, and a plan for success. Who should be attending this workshop? Anyone who actually attends meetings or who is going to be chairing a meeting. What's going to be included? A lot of discussion. We're going to have small interactive classes. My training courses are usually, as you know, smaller and interactive. So we can really get down to the nuts and bolts and come away, or you can come away with hints and tips as to how your meetings are going to be more effective, how you are going to view future meetings as productive and not as a waste of time. It's only a 4-hour workshop, so we will be starting at 9 o'clock sharp and finishing at 1 o'clock promptly. We still have spaces available for tomorrow's workshop. Not many spaces available, but there are some spaces available. If you would like to find out more information or to book yourself straight onto this workshop, please contact Jenny Wootley on her usual details. So you can contact her via email, telephone, website, or Facebook for the GFSB. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow, the 24th at 9 o'clock sharp at the GFSB headquarters, which is GFSB House, 122 Irish Town. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.